Kamusta sa inyong lahat, YouTubers? So today is April 23rd, 2018. So this is the time of the year when our grapevines start to grow. So for the past couple of days, it's been the warmest out of this whole year. And the vines haven't started budding yet. But these are how the vines are looking so far. Monkey, come here, come here. And we'll check next week to see if the buds are ready to break. But for now, peace out. And the grapes have finally broken buds. And let's walk towards the canopy. And it's about 1 foot higher than me. So that means that when I'm about 14 years old or something, I'm gonna be as tall as this thing. My dad cleaned it really good during the dormant season, so that's why you could see through it pretty well. And here is the lower deck of the grape arbor. And then there's the high deck. This is what our grape arbor looks like on June 24th. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Peace out. This is our grape arbor on July 15th.
It is August 12 right now, and as you can see, the arbor is full. I kind of neglected this throughout this season, so we're gonna go in here, and as you can see, we're gonna clear out some of the foliage up above to get some sunlight in here, and so that we can have air circulation. We really don't want that much dense up above that the sunlight can't penetrate, because then we'll have some rot. Alright, so we're gonna clean it up a little bit, get rid of some of this foliage and dying leaves, and get some sunlight in here. Hi there, snake. King cobra over there. We'll start down here. We'll clip that. Some of the ones that are overhanging over here, get rid of those. And some of the leaves over here, get rid of it. We're gonna get some sunlight in here. Some of these that are dying off. Leaf over here, get rid of that. You can see. Open that up a little bit more. Let's get rid of that. Open that up a little bit. Open that up. This one here, it's kind of thin, so let's put that up. We'll come back to that later. We fill up that garbage can, and I think that's good for now. You can see there's a lot of sunlight in here now. There's the outside. Got a pretty good haircut. Open up the canopy a little bit, and on this side also. It is September 13th. And I haven't been here in a while. Neglected it. So I've got different projects going on in the house, but here's the grape so far. And like I said, every year when we prune these vines, we don't know exactly which of the varieties we are pruning more so than the others, because we do have about a dozen different varieties growing here, and we prune it according to how it looks visually, and pruning some areas that are like heavily. So it looks like this year we have more Vanessa red grapes, and these are it. Oh wow, actually sweet. These ones over here are the Concords. Good too. See what else we got growing in here. Oh, although that doesn't look so good. But these are the Niagaras. But they're still my favorite. Oh, still good. It's the green ones. Anyways, yeah, so we got more Vanessas over here. We definitely have more Vanessas this year. Last year we didn't get a lot because I probably pruned the vines. These Concords are sweet. Concords. It's the Vanessas over here. A little bit redder. Oh, yeah, that's sweet. Right there.
Today is God knows what day. It is actually what is today? Are we in August or it's September. So my dad's gonna have to do this because there's too many mosquitoes and mosquitoes like me. So
yeah, this is what it looks like.